Hello everyone. It's me, Helene, here, popping in for a quick hot minute to do a second chance drawing for an entry into the big grand prize of the Christmas in July Fairies drawing that will be chosen tomorrow on Dana's Wanderlust Crochet channel. So you have less than 24 hours if you are the winner to get in touch with me. Today is July 24th. I need to hear from you before 8 o'clock a.m. Pacific Daylight Time tomorrow on July 25th so I can get this information over to Dana, and then you will be entered in the drawing. Here's the link to my fairy giveaway video, and then I'm going to collect all the comments. Okay, and now let's pick that winner. 485 comments again. Here we go. All right, the new winner is Libby Shields. Woohoo, Libby Shields. Okay, please get in touch with me. I hope you see this video and watch it. All right, that's it. Second chance drawing and done. Okay, my email address will be in the description box below. All right, take care everyone. I will see you soon. Bye for now.